Concrete, steel, and innovation. This is the foundation of our world. But today, it's not just about building stronger. It's about building smarter and sustainable. Welcome back to Civil Edge, where we break down engineering ideas that shape our future. In this video, we'll explore what sustainable construction really means and how engineers are transforming the industry to protect our planet. Sustainable construction simply means designing and building structures that minimize environmental impact. It focuses on three key areas. 1. Using eco-friendly materials. 2. Reducing energy consumption. And 3. Creating healthier environments for people. Traditional materials like cement and steel have a huge carbon footprint. That's why modern engineers are choosing alternatives such as fly ash concrete, reuses industrial waste, bamboo and engineered timber, renewable and strong, recycled steel and glass, cutting down on waste, and green concrete, designed to absorb CO2 during curing. Energy efficiency is at the heart of sustainable design. Buildings are now equipped with solar panels for renewable energy, rainwater harvesting systems, natural ventilation, and daylighting to reduce energy use. From the Edge in Amsterdam, one of the greenest buildings in the world, to Kigali's upcoming Green City project, sustainable construction is no longer a trend, it's the future. These projects prove that engineering can balance development with environmental responsibility. So, as future civil engineers, our job isn't just to build, it's to build responsibly. Sustainable construction isn't about doing less, it's about doing better. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Civil Edge, where engineering meets innovation.